Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Actually, I'm so thrilled to share with you how to create the perfect, organized, and pretty pantry. This project is one of my favorite home projects to date. Now, I am going to take you step by step on how to do this in your own home. Let's get started. Showing you the before photo of our pantry allows you to see just what I mean when I say it was a disaster. Although there was some attempted baskets, none matched nor were organized with intention. It was difficult to see what we had in our pantry. I led to me not enjoying baking nor cooking really because I couldn't find things I needed, so I knew that everything had to be taken out first. As you can see, I completely emptied that pantry. Nothing remained. It already felt better. As I emptied the pantry, I created piles that were like items, and yes, I found the things I didn't know we had. Here are some of the piles I created: snacks, baking items, rice, pasta, candies, condiments, canned foods, powder drink mixes and water bottles, coolers, protein bars and powders, perishables, paper towels. Now that I had my stored piles, it was time to have fun. I received so many amazing containers from the container store, and I knew that they were going to bring me the look and functionality I had been hoping for. I began placing these pieces in the pantry with a purpose. With 4 children's food, they enjoy need to be on the lower shelves and not breakables. As you can see, I use these plastic multi-purpose bins, these Oxo good grips, pop cereal dispensers, and the amazing Oxo food grips. For things like bread, produce, and water bottles, I loved having these open wooden handle baskets. On the higher shelves, I placed the glass pieces that held food my husband or I access to cook meals and bake. These glass canisters with glass lids make my heart happy. I have always loved things like flour, rice, grits poured into canisters where you can see these things in, although these beautiful glass canisters with oak lids are breakable with the smaller size that they are. I felt comfortable keeping these on a middle shelf so that they can be of help when gathering baking items and other items that we keep less of on a regular basis. Breakfast items such as oatmeal and pancake mix found home in the glass containers as well as our cereals in the Oxo Good Grips, pop cereal dispensers, and last but not least, you can see while we do have some canned food goods, that is not something we have a lot of, so I decided to use a Lazy Susan as our canned food storage, so I could easily see what we had on hand. This two-tier bamboo one is the perfect texture to have with the large glass canisters and adjacent oak lid containers. After left our whole family smiling and saying wow. In fact, instead of keeping the pantry door closed, we didn't mind it staying open anymore. The container store pieces met our needs as a family of 6, maximum functionality, organized in an overall clean and pretty look. We added some chalkboard labels so the piece is for reminders of what food items go where when my children help unload the groceries into the pantry. It's so nice to not have all the bulky boxes and paper bins foods come in, but rather empty them into containers that keep them fresh and giving this streamlined look. I would love for you to stay in touch by subscribing my channel and have more videos like this entertaining video. So like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.